Hi, Anna Rivas here. It is week 4. I'm going to be doing the lab for week 4, which is of the lymphatic system on today, which is November 26, 2017. I'm going to be going over a few different lymphatic organs that I have labeled on a photo that is on my MacBook, and then I'm going to go over briefly about the flow of lymph through our bodies. So here we go. Week 4, lymphatic system. So this is the photo that we are going to be reviewing on my MacBook of the lymphatic organs found on our human body. As you can see, they are already labeled. We are just going to start reviewing from the top. We have the tonsils. The tonsils are located in the back of the throat. We also have the cervical lymph nodes, which are located in the neck. Inferiorly to that, we have the thymus gland, which is located superiorly to the heart. And over to our laterally, we have the axillary lymph nodes, which is located in our armpits, as we can tell by the name axillary, which is meaning armpits. And inferiorly to that, attached to the lateral point of the stomach, we have the spleen, right over here. And then below that, attached to inside the intestinal wall, we have the Peyer's patches, which is right over here. We also have our appendix, which is like a finger-like structure, which is located at the end of the intestine, and that is right over here. Perfect. So those are all of the lymphatic organs that we need to review. Next, we're going to talk about the flow of lymph through our bodies. So let's begin with talking about what lymph is. So lymph is a clear-like fluid that is composed mainly of water, also contains electrolytes and some plasma protein. Lymph is transported throughout our body via the lymphatic pathway by lymphatic vessels. The lymphatic system relies solely on a muscular skeletal pump, which is the constriction of skeletal muscle that constricts the vessels and pumps the blood forward. The reason why it is dependent on that is because unlike the cardiovascular system that we just recently learned, there is not one organ that plays that role to pump like the heart does for the cardiovascular system. There are also check valves that are present in the lymphatic pathways to prevent the backflow of the fluid into the lymphatic capillaries. So the lymphatic pathway, lymph flows from the lymphatic vessels into the lymphatic trunks and finally into the collecting ducts where the lymph is disposed into the subclavian veins and put into the bloodstream. So there you have it. That was week 4 of lab 4 of the lymphatic system, where we reviewed the lymphatic organs on the MacBook photo that we saw earlier. And then we also briefly reviewed the flow of lymph through our body and how the skeletal muscle pump helps aid that. I hope you enjoyed my video and I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time.